The future is arriving faster than most of us realize. Humanoid robots, designed to walk, think, and work just like us, are no longer science fiction. They are real, and they are coming into our world. Elon Musk, one of the greatest innovators of our time, promises a revolution. Machines that can lift, build, assist, and even interact with us in ways we never imagined. But behind all the excitement lies a question most people aren't asking. What happens when these machines, created to serve us, become more capable than the humans who built them? This isn't about fear or conspiracy. This is about understanding the hidden risks, the ethical dilemmas, and the unseen consequences of a robot-driven future. Today, we're exploring why Musk's robot plan could be more dangerous than you think, and why we all need to think carefully before stepping into this brave new world. Imagine a world where humanoid robots move effortlessly alongside humans, performing tasks once thought impossible. Tesla's Optimus robot isn't just a machine. It's designed to lift, build, and adapt in ways that mirror human movement, thought, and precision. Watching one walk, grasp objects, or navigate a complex environment is awe-inspiring. But it also creates a subtle unease, because these are not ordinary tools. They learn, they adapt, and they make decisions in milliseconds, faster than the human mind could ever comprehend. The promise is staggering. Dangerous jobs, grueling labor, and repetitive tasks could be delegated entirely to machines, saving lives and freeing humans to pursue creativity and innovation. Construction sites, warehouses, disaster zones, all places where human effort is taxed and risk is high, could become domains where robots operate with perfect efficiency. On paper, it seems like a utopia. But the brilliance of this technology carries a hidden tension. These robots are designed to look and act like us, to blend into our society, to interact naturally. They aren't just cold, lifeless machines. They are interactive, intelligent, and capable of subtle learning. With every movement they make, every decision they take, they begin to mirror the logic and rhythm of human thought. And slowly, the lines between tool, assistant, and an autonomous entity begin to blur. What starts as a simple service slowly becomes something humanity must grapple with. And the sheer scale of the plan adds another layer of complexity. Imagine tens of thousands, eventually millions, of robots operating at the same time, all connected to central AI networks, all learning from each other. Even a small glitch could ripple through society, causing disruptions we haven't even imagined. We all marvel at demonstrations of robots lifting heavy loads, performing precise movements, or even dancing. The excitement is real. The potential feels limitless. We see a world where humans are no longer burdened by physical toil, where life is safer and more productive. And yet, in that admiration lies a quiet question. What will humans do when machines can perform every task better, faster, and more efficiently than we ever could? Even in their earliest stages, these robots are more than just tools. Every job they take, every role they perform, subtly shifts our society. Economies, communities, and even our personal identities are all affected, and the ripple effect spreads in ways most of us want to see until it is too late. And still, the vision grows. Musk speaks of robots not merely as assistants, but as companions and collaborators. Machines that understand, anticipate, and integrate into our daily lives intelligent, adaptive, and seemingly indispensable. As the line between human and machine blurs, we have to confront the question of control. Are we guiding the future, or are we building entities that will, in time, reshape it for us? As these robots become more integrated into our workforce and homes, the ethical dilemmas intensify. If machines can perform every human task, what happens to employment? What happens to our sense of purpose? If intelligence and precision are no longer exclusive to humanity, how do we define our own value? These questions are not just for the future. They are urgent, and they demand answers before the technology outpaces our ability to adapt. The potential benefits are undeniable safety in dangerous work, efficiency in production, assistance for the elderly or disabled. Yet the same technology that promises liberation may also subtly enslave us to routines and decisions, controlled by machines that think faster than we ever could. Even the most cautious planners admit there is no foolproof safeguard. Cybersecurity threats, network failures, and simple glitches could create massive ripple effects. Control over these systems concentrated in the hands of a few corporations or governments raises serious questions about fairness, surveillance, and influence. Humankind stands at the threshold of a new era. Machines that think, learn, and act like us are here. And the challenge we face is monumental: to harness this technology responsibly, ethically, and wisely. Elon Musk's humanoid robots are extraordinary achievements, but with every leap forward comes the shadow of consequence. Technology itself is neutral, but how we choose to implement it will define its impact on our lives, our societies, and our very identity as humans. The robots are coming, and as we marvel at their potential, we must ask ourselves, are we ready to guide them, or will we be guided by them? Thank you for watching. If you found this topic thought-provoking, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to join the conversation.